Today we talk about how can you enable what you miss it up on your Tumblr app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile, and all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to labs, you click on it. When you click on labs here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you come here to what you miss it up. You just click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean what you miss it up enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.